Hi, welcome to WhatsApp Wednesday at prekpages.com. I'm Vanessa Levin, and this week we'll be taking a look at the new app, Pete the Cat, that goes with all those great books.
Let's play my favorite game, hide and seek. I've hidden some objects at school for you to find. Be sure to find them all. For some extra fun, find my guitar. Then we can rock out together. Oh no! I think I left my guitar on the bus. Can you help me find it?
So basically you're going to go through the different scenarios here, and you're going to help Pete find his guitar. So the first one is the bus. And at the top here, they want you to locate these things in the picture and just tap them. So let's see. The next scenario is the classroom.
School is cool, but where's my guitar?
And now you need to find the things in Pete's classroom that are listed at the top here.
Way to go!
And then there's two other scenarios as well, the cafeteria and the playground. Get to the last scenario here, one of the items that you're going to be looking for in the fourth scenario is Pete's guitar. And when you do eventually find the guitar, I'll show you what happens.
My guitar is still missing. I know we can find it. You found my guitar. It's all good. Let's rock.
So if you're a big Pete the Cat fan and your students just love listening to the Pete the Cat stories, this app is a great way to bring more Pete into your classroom with technology. I think this would be a great app to use at a center, and you could also use it as an incentive. I'm sure all the kids would love to play Pete the Cat. It's going to help them pay attention to detail, to seek and find these objects on the screen as well.